So this is, I'm doing a hair mask for Culture. This is avocado, and I just finished putting the argan oil. I'm gonna put mayonnaise, uh, castor oil, olive oil. I know it's a lot of oil, but my baby hair gotta be really hydrated like mine's. And I'm about to put egg and honey. It's a lot, right? But it's for me and Culture. Big scoop, big chunky scoop. Honey, and I'm not gonna put that much honey because since it's a baby, I don't want her hair to be sticky and she just touches it and weird stuff, just a little bit. That's it. Guys, wish me luck cracking this egg. And now I'm gonna put a lot of black castor oil. Yep, put it all in that bitch. And I'm gonna put it in the blender so the avocado meat. I actually add another extra avocado so that avocado meat won't be in your fucking head, because it's really hard to take avocado chunks off your head. So how smooth it is. Now this shit right here is gonna go to for me and my baby's hair. And let me go wash it. Why not? I'm gonna add a banana because a banana is really good nutriments to the hair. All of this shit is good for the hair. You know what I'm saying? Another egg. Shake the table. Okay, guys. So this is really how my hair is. My hair gets like this when you blow dry it, then 2 days later it just gets puffed up like that. Even when you braid it, this is my hair texture. My hair is not curly, so like my daughter's hair is curly. She got like curls or like little coils too, but my shit just don't get curly at all. It's just straight like this. But I still needed moisture, and it's just a good hair mask to help your hair grow. And all the good things that you put in your body, you gotta put it in your hair. You're not gonna put soda in your hair because, of course, soda is not good for your body, so it's definitely not good for your hair. And yep, let's keep on going. Hey guys, so I finished, and this is the end result. This is how it looks.
Okay, you guys, so in this clip, you're just going to see me add all of the ingredients into the mixer, just like Cardi B did in her video. Okay, you guys, so here I am showing you how my hair is looking now that I have applied the mask to half of my head. And as you can see, the side with the mask, my curls are very, very defined, and they are also very moisturized as well compared to the other side. This is how my head is looking once I finish applying the mask to my entire head, and I must say I am very, very pleased with the turnout of this mask. As you can see, the definition is on point and my hair just feels amazing. So this is once I rinsed the hair mask out, and I must say my hair felt very strengthened, it felt hydrated, and I will start using this mask more often because I'm just so happy with the outcome. So if you guys have used this hair mask before, comment down below and let me know how you guys felt about it. And like always, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the thumbs up button and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.